Hello, I'm Kevin with OGO, and today we're going to talk about the RV Flange drain adapter, and then how it works with the RV Flange or adapter plate and the drain kit. So some people, as we already talked about in a different video, that the RV adapter plate for plugging the RV Flange, but some people want to drain directly into the black tank. So what this does is kind of acts as a middle ground or middle space for your drain kit to go funnel from the spout through the floor of the OGO and then into the black tank. So this is just some PVC pipe here and then a custom plastic part that can work in conjunction with the normal RV flange. So I have, they call them T-nuts there that I know I to swivel around, and here's a visual of what they are. So that's around, but these would be tightened up. We can just do it by hand. So that is installed. And this is where you might want to plumb this depending on your build. And have that plate right there. And that covers right about where this bottom here would come through. So you'll still need some sort of spacer, some pipe in between. Still need some sort of pipe in between for the coupling to that elbow. See, mine right now is a little long, but from a demonstration perspective, that's how they'll fit in. And of course, having that drain kit back and installed with a drawer behind it is your RV adapter drain plate.